have floral and ornaments. So I have these beautiful pics. So these, again, rose gold are really popular. And I still think they're more of a blush to me. We're going more into blushes and peaches. Still has a little bit of peach in there. Very trendy for 2019. So I'm gonna just stick them right in the corners. Okay, and we just want to really enhance that. I'm just sticking them right underneath the wire. Don't worry, at the end we'll go through the ribbon and we'll fluff it up. Okay. These are nice picks. They're already done for you. Okay. Then we have these beautiful rose gold champagne, I'd say Tiffany color picks. It's so easy, you just put them right in. Because this is a very tight wire. We've used screws and we've wired it on. The Mantle, this Garland's heavy duty. It's got a big, thick wire base. So we've screwed and wired it. A lot of you can't screw onto your Mantle. So what is the question? Command strips. Go get the heavier command strips to hold up to 10 pounds. Stick them, stick them, stick them, stick them, stick them, wire, wire, wire. That's your answer. Because I have a struggle with a lot of, I've had phone calls at 3 in the morning. My Mantle fell off my, I'm telling you, I've had several in the life. Not recently, because we have command strips, but you don't want to wake up with a gorgeous Mantle on the floor. And I know nobody wants screws in your Mantle. Okay, so that solves that, the command strips, but make sure you get the 5 pound and heavier. And I'm just going to add this in here. Yeah, the command strips are really good. They have a future, I'm sure of it. Anyway, I'm going to add a couple things here. We're bringing in that beautiful champagne color. And I'm just basically putting these in, folding the back. Okay? Again, we're going to add these rice lights later. I'm kind of tucking and hiding. Okay? Pardon me, ladies. You can help me, you can hand me these. You want to hand me some of this? You don't want to touch it. That'd be great. I'm going to add these in here. These are a beautiful little champagne berry. So again, because the way the Garland's made, it's almost like putting it in styrofoam. It just holds. It's really, really easy. And again, we're bringing in the beautiful champagne colors, lifting it up. Okay, so again, focal point, focal point, focal point. Get your focal points done first before we do anything. Ribbon, picks, ornaments. We go from large to small, alike kinds. So you would start with, for instance, the next pick will be the flower. You do all these at once. So you use the same item first for everything. That's how you get your balance. A lot of times someone will go, oh, I'll stick this in here and then I'll put that, and then all of a sudden it doesn't look balanced. That's gonna get you even balanced. For garlands, trees, it's all the same formula and recipe. Like kinds go on first. So we'll finish these guys. Yeah, and then we have these beautiful, look at these guys. Magnolias, champagne magnolias. I'm gonna bend that in half. I'm not gonna cut it because next year you may wanna put it in a vase. So that goes under here, just like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Great palette. Again, I'm gonna like kinds. So we're doing all the magnolias next. No breakage. And then we wanna do one in the corner up here. And when you shape these, you gotta really shape them out nice and neat. So one layer at a time. So now we're on the poinsettias. We want to add those again. There's about 6 or 7. I'm going to put about 5 in here. Again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm not going to cut it because what's happened in the past, the next year, all of a sudden my customer's like, I want a bunch of poinsettias in a vase. And I'm like, oopsie, you know, so just go ahead and bend that and you can just put it right in like that. Real easy. Yeah, easy, easy. And then we'll do that over here, same thing. Put that in there just like so. And that's a really nice pop of color on there. So we're blending, it's okay to use 2 different flower types. I love the poinsettias because they're a big contrast from the champagne magnolias. So I'm mixing and matching. And I love floral product in my tree. Floral is a big deal, besides ornaments. So you can blend the 2 together. And we'll add one more over here. And we're not even done with the ornaments yet. Okay, I've got one more magnolia I'm gonna pop in over here. Now, I don't know how many of you use your fireplace, or if you have those fireplaces that radiate heat. The only suggestion I say, whoever uses a fireplace, if you're gonna turn the fire on, you're gonna need to lift the ribbon. You're gonna have to, for that evening, we're gonna have to pull a lot of this up. I have an artificial fireplace that looks so amazing. It does generate heat, but if you're gonna burn a big fire, you can't have it this long, it's too dangerous. But it looks great. So this is just because we have no fireplace that it works, but you need to be aware of that because you don't wanna have a problem. Okay, so now we're gonna add some ornaments here. These are already ready to go with the string. And since the pics are anchored in so well, we can go right around one of these little balls and hang them. Okay, and we're gonna come up here and we're gonna hang one here. These are anchored in well, so you already have like the Christmas tree branch. It can be hung. These are beautiful. We'll bring one up over here. So I'm just gonna loop it around the pick, twist it around, and it's anchored.